In this video, I am going to show you how to measure your internet speed. What are the tools and what are the methods you can use to measure the internet speed? And then I'm going to explain to you how to understand or interpret these internet speed test results. I'm going to focus on the residential service, but there is a different service for businesses. It is called dedicated enterprise class service. I'm going to save that for another video and focus on residential service. So when you first try to sign up for a internet service provider to get your internet, they offer you different kind of service, different class of service. First class is you can get up to 300 Mbps. This is about spectrum and it's going to be pretty similar with other service providers. The first one is a lower class, that is 300 Mbps. Even that is much faster nowadays. And the second class is up to 500 Mbps. And if you pay more money, you get up to 1 gigabits per second. So you need to understand internet speed is measured in bits, not bytes. It is megabits per second. When they say up to 300 Mbps is mostly residential services are shared internet, not like a dedicated internet provided for businesses. So many subscribers share the pipe and they guarantee you can get up to 300 Mbps in certain times. When everybody tries to use internet, you're definitely going to get less speed than the upper limit speed. So you need to do speed test and make sure you are getting the speed they have guaranteed you. So let's do a speed test. One of the popular speed tests is speedtest.net. Type in speed test, that must be the first one. This is the one from Google. Google always advertise theirs first, and this is the one I am talking about, www.speedtest.net. Click on that. They normally pick the closest server for you to do the speed test. So basically, speed test is a ping test from your computer to your service provider, and then it goes to ping some servers. In this case, it is pinging a server in Illinois. I'm doing that from Madison, Wisconsin. You can change that to a server in Madison, Wisconsin. This is a Mount Horeb, very close to me, or it is Madison, Wisconsin. This is most closest to me. So let's pick this one and do a speed test. Before you do speed test, we normally don't change this one. This one you can do multi versus single. Multi means it open multiple connections and get an average. This basically mimic most of the application because most of the application nowadays open multiple connection to get the maximum data out of your pipe. So I am going to leave that to multiple and then do a speed test. And you can see it is basically doing a ping test for this server. It will do an upload and a download speed. Download is the most important thing we worry about because when we use internet, we always download a lot of stuff than uploading to the internet. The provider always keep this as a minimum and allocate most of the pipe to the download speed. After this is complete, go to the test results and look at all the test results you have done. Before this video, I have done few of them. If you look at this one, this tells where the server is located that you just pinged. So in this case, this is less than 50 miles. This is about 150 miles and so on. This is the average milliseconds for the ping results to return from that server. And this is the download speed and this is the upload speed. Anything below 100 millisecond is considered very good connection. Anything over 1000 millisecond is considered a very poor service. And when you do multiple tests, you can see you are getting a reliable, consistent internet. So in this case, I am getting little over 300 megabits per second. And let's do another test results. This is from Google and let's run this one. 340 Mbps and upload is 6.57 and it was pinging a Chicago server and it is telling your internet connection is very fast. Also, it is giving us clue that your internet connection should be able to handle multiple devices streaming HD videos, video conferencing, and gaming at the same time. And the third one I'm going to use is my service provider speed test tool. I'm going to go to Spectrum speed test. I'm going to test that using this also, because when a service technician come to your house, they always use their own branded test website. This site also providing the same kind of speed test result, that is more than 300 download speed and about 10 Mbps upload speed. You also can use the Windows tool, that is a command prompt, and go to do a ping test to www.google.com and focus on the value, that is average millisecond, for your ping to return. I said before, anything below 100 millisecond considered as an excellent connection. Also focus on how many packets sent, how many packets received, is there any packet lost. If you see a 1% loss or any kind of loss, that tells you your internet is having some problem. If this video is useful to you, give me a thumbs up. If you want to get notified with my future videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification.